the news. Brianne Foley has your weather. Good morning, Brianne.
Good morning, Amanda. Yes, a mix of sun and cloud for most, and then we are going to see that rainfall coming into our region. We have a little bit of low pressure from western parts of Canada that is going to be coming in and impacting up in northern and western parts of New Brunswick throughout the morning. Same with down in western parts of Nova Scotia. Cape Breton seeing some low pressure from the south still impacting them, and it's going to continue throughout the course of today. We should see those showers really making an appearance this afternoon into the evening. Heaviest rainfall overnight. We're looking at highs of 16 in Fredericton and Charlottetown, as well as in Halifax for our satellite and radar from this morning. We see a little bit of extra cloud coverage. We see some rain coming into the region already. That's low pressure that's coming from western parts of the United States and Canada. Over in Cape Breton Island, as well as into Newfoundland, we're seeing some remnants of low pressure hanging around from Hurricane Isaac that's making its way towards the UK. So taking a look at our current temperatures, we're seeing slightly above average temperatures for this time of year. Again, we are going to feel some impacts of that humidex because we have rain in the region, of course. Watching our radar and satellite from today, we do see that increase in rain, especially in the northern and western portions of New Brunswick, as well as western parts of Nova Scotia. Later this afternoon, we're going to continue to see the system moving east, and so we're going to see the most impact from the system hanging around into the late hours of Monday night into Tuesday morning. So we're going to continue to see some of this precipitation coming through. Could see a chance of thunderstorms as well into Tuesday. But for the next 24 hours, the majority of the rainfall is going to be into New Brunswick. And that's because this is just the trajectory of the system coming through. We're going to see some spotty showers over in parts of Labrador as well as into Newfoundland. But again, the majority of that rainfall is going to be over in western parts of New Brunswick. Watching our wind gusts, we do see an increase in winds as we head throughout the day. Of course, that's because that system continues to move through. But then as we head into the evening, we do see them start to taper down a little bit heading into tonight. Right now, we're looking at 11 kilometer per hour sustained winds in Edmonton, but the majority of those gusting winds, of course, over on Sable Island, St. John's, and Sydney, where that rainfall is evident right now. So for today, we're seeing a couple degrees above seasonal, but again, that's that rain coming into the region, and that's pretty much the story across the board. A couple degrees warmer than what we're used to seeing at this time of year, but that rainfall continuing throughout the majority of today. Into Newfoundland and Labrador, we're seeing much more average type temperatures in Labrador, cloudy with that chance of showers, and then that drizzle turning into rain for Newfoundland.